my name is Roxanne Louise, and my presentation for the 2021 convention is Releasing Anger Without Killing Anyone. This presentation will provide a wealth of information, including information and exercises, so you have firsthand experience of how helpful they are, both for yourself and all of your clients. Here's what we're going to cover. First of all, anger is a powerful motivator to heal. So let it help you to locate and heal old emotional baggage from the past, even things you don't have conscious memory of. Let it help you become more discerning, to make better judgments, set better boundaries, gain perspective, and grow exponentially. Use anger to motivate you to learn new skills in communication, interpersonal relationships, conflict resolution, stress management, and effective coping skills, things that pay off in every area of your life. Harness anger's enormous energy to propel you forward in any endeavor, from cleaning out the garage and other tasks you've been putting off to taking dynamic action in your business. Use it as an opportunity. Anger is also a powerful teacher. We're going to cover the underlying dynamics of anger, the underlying beliefs, judgments, assumptions, and faulty perceptions, as well as the physical contributors. How to notice your negative patterns and screw them up. How to notice and dissolve your triggers to fight clean and stop conversations from spiraling downwards, to maintain and regain your balance quickly, and how to diffuse anger by noticing the warning signs and taking prompt action. Anger is a choice among other options. In any situation, there are people that will react differently. Learn more effective alternatives and employ mentors to help you. The bottom line is that anger is an opportunity to grow. Make your adversaries help you. Turn it into a blessing. Hope to see you in a workshop.